So, good morning, everyone. Am I audible to all of you? Students, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, let us discuss a topic today. Can you see my screen? No?
No.
These are simple derivations that we will discuss. So, first, let us discuss a derivation, then we will do one numerical like yesterday. So, what is area moment of inertia? So, if you consider an elemental area dA with a thin lamina of area A as shown in figure, then let x is the distance of CZ from the area dA and y axis, and y equal to distance of CZ from area dA from x axis. So here we are considering a what? Thin lamina or small surface. Okay, so the area of the surface is what? dA. huh? So if the area of the surface is dA, then x is the distance. That means this is the center of gravity, the centroid point. So this distance is, if x is the distance of area dA from y axis. Okay, so here just remember this is a three-dimensional thing. So we are considering this is as x axis, this as y axis, and this as z axis in three-dimensional case. So what happens? The distance x and y are first of all computed. Okay, so after that, that means what? This is the right. So this point, if you consider a distance from y-axis, that means this axis. So if these two distances are computed, so this is what? X. And this is what? Y, the distance. S, that is. Now the moment of the elemental area. The moment means what? Moment means force into perpendicular distance. Now if the moment of this small area dA above y-axis is area, that means the area is dA into perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. So we are considering the axis of rotation as y-axis here. We are considering the y-axis. So it is given in this manner. It is given as x into dA. Why? Because area is dA and perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation is what? X. Because the lamina is in a distance of x from y-axis. Then this is the moment of the elemental area dA. Now if this moment of elemental area dA is again multiplied by perpendicular distance x, that means initially you are taking out the area and then you are multiplying it with a particular distance. Again you are multiplying it with another distance. Huh? So this is what that multiplication thing is being done for 2 times, right? So if the multiplication thing is done for 2 times, then you are getting what? Second moment of area or area moment of inertia. Just remember these terms. This is known as second moment of area or area moment of inertia. Now look, if you are to find out a whole moment of inertia, because this is a very small part, right? So dA. Now you have to what? Do integration for finding out the whole. So this integration thing is given by Iy equal to integration like this, x square dA. Why x square dA? Because we are finding out second moment of inertia like this. So this is given. Now similarly about this is for the y-axis. Huh? This is for the y-axis. Now if you consider this as for x-axis, then it will be like integration y square dA. So this is basically what integration. And now look, if you see the figure, there are three axes, right? So if there are three axes, then x, y, and z are present. Now, if these three axes are present, so for z axis also we'll have to find out, which is given by r square dA. Now, why r square dA? Because here this distance is from the z is r. Ah, so this is known as r. Now, this r square is dA is known as polar moment of inertia. Okay. Now, if you see Pythagoras theorem from geometry, we can write as r square equal to x square plus y square. Therefore, what? We found out Iz, huh? We found out Ix, and we found out what? Iy. So therefore, we can write Iz like this in this manner. That means what? Iz equal to r square dA. Huh? This one. So from here, we can write r equal to what? R square equal to x square plus y square. So we can write x square y square dA equal to Ix plus Iy. So hence what? Iz equal to Ix plus Iy. So this is how we measure things. Now there is another theorem which is called as Parallax theorem. So
Sir,
if bolo
hello.
bolo सुन रहा हूँ
Uh, sir, go back to the first equation
बोलो क्या है
where
वहाँ
x is multiply another term. Why, sir?
हम्म, बोलो what
Sir, go back to first equation,
which
sir.
one which one which one
First equations.
which one
Where x is two time y x is two time multiply, sir.
that's what I'm
X
saying nah this is
into
polar
bracket x
this
plus dA.
this is that's what I'm telling now huh? First of all you found out first moment of inertia and then you have to find out second moment of area. You found out first, that is why one time, and then you found out second, that is why second time, that means second moment of area. Got it? Second is why, that means why you are multiplying it twice, because you have to find out what second moment of area or area moment of inertia. Now if you multiply once, then it is what? Into one distance, na? If you multiply only x, huh, then you will get only one dimension. Now after multiplying twice only, you will get what? This area thing, na? Main reason is what? You have to find out area, na? Understood? Understood or not? Understood, Temazar? Hello? 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 Anyone hearing me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
अभी सुनाई दे समझ रहे हो टेमर सर? हाँ?
This is very minor.
Huh? Hello? टेमर सर, your audio is not clear.
But it is
Huh?
minor.
टेमर सर, your audio is not clear. I'm not able to hear anything from you. Hello? टेमर सर, are you hearing me? Yeah, others, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, टेमर सर is having perhaps some issue with the network. You're understanding now why we are taking area moment of inertia now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you understanding this thing? टेमर सर is gone, I think so. He's having network. My battery is dead. Sorry, sir. Analyze network is having problem. So we are having this thing, huh? So that is why we are taking this area moment of inertia. Okay. Now we go to what? Next one. Parallel axis theorem. What is parallel axis theorem? So parallel axis theorem means the moment of inertia of an area about a non-centroidal axis may be expressed in terms of. Okay, I can hear you. Others, can you hear me? Alright.
Yes, sir.
Wait, Jambe cannot hear me. What is parallel axis theorem? The moment of inertia of an area about a non-centroidal axis may be expressed in terms of moment of area of the centroidal axis. This is the parallax theorem. So these are basic mathematical terms. Just try to understand that this term only first line. The moment of inertia of an area about non-centroidal axis may be expressed in terms of moment of inertia about the centroidal axis. This is the major term that is very important. Okay, so please try to understand this term only. Parallax theorem. Now, what we shall do is we shall try to solve some numericals. Okay. Can you see my screen? Hello.
No.
No. Wait.
No, sir.
Wait. 2 मिनट
Not
रुको.
visible.
2 मिनट रुको. Shit. Let us do a numerical now. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
You can see.
So try to solve out this one. Now look, in this case, the axis will be what? Now I am audible. Many are saying I am not audible. Am I audible now to everyone? I had some network problems. Am I audible now? Hello. सुनाई दे रहा है ना?
जी सर सुनाई दे रहा है.
ये solve कर सकोगे? Can you able to solve? Now here, look. Here it is given what? Here the axis will be what? It is passing through the center. Okay. So in the last class we discussed it that initially axis was like this, na? Yes or no? This is one axis and this is other axis. But here it is opposite. If you see here in the figure, huh, this sum is a bit different. The axis is passing through the center. So look through the center, the horizontal axis. So the horizontal axis is passing through the center. Okay. So how will you find out the x and y? Now this is a symmetrical, right? So you have to find out only one axis. Since this is a symmetrical, so you have to find out only y. That means the horizontal axis is passing through the center. This is the center. If it is passing through the center of gravity of the section, then what happens? You have to find out y1, y2 and y3. Tell me the values of y1, y2, y3. How it is? Can you find out y1, y2, y3? Abom, any doubt? Okay, someone wrote.
Y1 60,
कितना होगा?
60.
60. Imsong wrote the correct answer. Imsong has written down the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Good. Jambe, can you hear me now? Jambe Vangshu, can you hear me now? He's saying that I am still cannot hear me. Jambe cannot hear me now. Can you hear me now? Have you tried? So have you done the okay? Imsong has done the correct. Huh? Hello? 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 Hello. This is so much of network issues today.
Anything.
Ah, bolo. Hello. I can't hear any one of you. Please speak up, someone. Just make it.
Sir,
Ah,
network is very low, sir.
network is very low, na? Network is very low, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm sorry for that. I've been trying to connect it. Wait, wait, wait. So I'm giving you the solution. Just have a look at it. Hello, we'll stop here only today. We'll not do much because of this network issue. We're seeing so much of problem today. So look at this. Sometimes it is clear, but not all the time. Okay, 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 fine. I'll have to shift to a different area, I guess. So can you see the solution now, students?
Yes, sir.
So this is how it is being done. Okay. So first of all, what is this? We have to find out the center of gravity of the section. Now, as the section is symmetrical about y axis, so we have to find out it only y. And the center of gravity of this will lie on this y axis only. Now we have to split the whole rectangles into 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and the bottom flange be the axis of reference. What they have done is, look, the bottom flange is taken as the axis of reference. Now from this axis only they are computing the. Can you hear me now? Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the axis of reference. So from here, if you find out till here, this point, what will be this point? 20 plus 100 plus 20 by 2. That is why like this. Then from this point, what will be? 20 plus 100 by 2. Okay. And here it is what? 20 by 2. Now what? We find out the area A1, A2, A3 and simply put in the formula. Okay. So this is how it will be done. In some, your answer is wrong, but your approach is correct. Just try to find out this in this manner. Okay. Just try it out. Try it out now. Just write it down. Write it down. Write the answers now. Yeah, Jambe, say. Any problem? Can you hear me now? Hello? Jambe, can you hear me now? Okay, good. Good, Imsong. Good. So, just check it out. Okay, in this manner, you have to solve it. Okay, thank you. Imsong has got the mistake. Sir, the question she's saying. Okay. Okay. Mu is asking about center of gravity, right? Yeah, it is center of gravity. But then they have assumed the center of gravity to be, like I said, I I told you na, it was initially I thought I asked you to do in this manner from here. Now you can do the axis passing through this also. But if you consider like this, then there will be a bit different. Huh? So for this y2 will be 0, then here it will be positive and here it will be negative. So if you want to remove all those complications, you just simply consider or assume that the axis is passing through the base. Okay, mu, you got it? This is just for making it easy, nothing else
Yes,
going
sir.
on. हाँ, तो हॉरिजॉन्टल करेगा तो
Yes,
क्या
sir.
होगा? तो एक जीरो होगा, एक नेगेटिव में आएगा, एक पॉजिटिव आएगा, बट ये गलती का चांसेस ज्यादा है ना, समझ रहे हो?
जी sir.
हाँ?
Hmm.
What about the moment of
Yes, sir.
inertia? Moment of inertia is not present here. We'll discuss it. We'll solve numericals about it also. Just first of all, you find out this one. First of all, you find out center of gravity. The moment of inertia will be the next part. Huh? We'll discuss it later. Moment of inertia, we'll discuss it later. Just find out this one today because we don't have much time. The moment of inertia will be found out just as we discussed today, na, the formulas. So on that way only, we'll have to find out the moment of inertia. So in the next class, we'll give a continuation of this numerical. Huh? So today you have to find out till y1. Just make one concept clear at a time. Is it okay, Kabom? Are you getting me? Kabom, what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
आज यहाँ तक समझ लो ये चीज, क्योंकि अगर एक साथ कर गया तो कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे तुम लोग. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया करवा दूंगा. विल डू नेक्स्ट ईयर इन नेक्स्ट क्लास दिस
Okay, sir.
मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया थिंग. ओके, so I hope this is clear for every one of you. I hope this is clear for every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do you have any doubt for today's class, this part?
No doubt, sir.
Uh, okay, fine.